Welcome to our new video. Did you know what it is? This is napkin, N for napkin, N for napkin. Wow, yummy! Noodles also starts with N, N for noodles. Oh, I think that was newspaper. Let's check it out. Here it is, N for newspaper. N for newspaper. Wait, is that a picture? Yes, it is net. N for net. Wow, a very sweet sound. Oh, it is a nightingale. N for nightingale. N for nightingale. And that is her nest. N for nest. Did you know nail trimming is good for health? Let me show you a nail clipper. N for nail clipper, that is used to trim our nails. These are some needles for sewing clothes. N for needles. N for needle. Is this beautiful? My father bought this necklace for me. N for necklace. Oh no, it's getting late and I have not done my homework yet. This is the nib. By the way, the nib of the pen also starts with N. N for nib. Hooray! I have completed my homework. This is my notebook. N for notebook. That's all for this video. Never stop learning. See you in the next video.